Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is based on my personal experience. On Rome Tips today, we're tackling the HSBC USA versus Citizens Bank debate, which one comes out on top. This video will break down the features, target customers, and unique offerings of both HSBC USA and Citizens Bank, empowering you to make the best decision for your financial situation. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more detailed product information. HSBC USA is a key player in the vast global HSBC network, renowned for its extensive international reach. This makes HSBC USA a particularly compelling option for individuals and businesses frequently engaged in international travel or cross-border transactions. Their diverse product range includes premier and advanced accounts, mortgages, personal loans, and various investment solutions. A truly distinctive feature is their global view and global transfers functionality, enabling seamless management and movement of funds between your international HSBC accounts. Furthermore, HSBC USA provides competitive foreign exchange services, solidifying its position as a strong contender for global citizens, expats, and businesses with international operations. The user-friendly mobile app and online platform ensure a convenient digital banking experience. In contrast, Citizens Bank primarily serves communities across the northeastern and midwestern United States. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, home equity loans, and personal financing solutions. Citizens Bank truly excels in customer service and personalized banking. A standout offering is their student loan refinancing program, making it an attractive option for recent graduates seeking to consolidate or reduce their student loan payments. Additionally, their extensive network of local branches and ATMs provides convenient access for those who prefer in-person banking services. So, which bank emerges as the victor? If international banking or frequent cross-border transactions are paramount to you, HSBC USA is the clear winner. However, if you prioritize a community-focused bank with robust student loan support and personalized services, Citizens Bank is the better fit. Carefully consider your specific financial needs and explore the links in the description for a more in-depth understanding of both banks.